Again, let's talk about the articulation of vowels this time. We talked about the place of articulation and manner of articulation of consonants, of different consonants, including voiceless and voiced consonants. Now let's talk about the articulation of vowels. Of course, when we talk about the articulation of vowels is totally different from the articulation of consonants, and this is why. Okay, vowel articulation, we have different things. We talk about different aspects. We talk about nasality, that is the nose, okay. Tense or lax, tense means, okay, the length of vowels. Lip rounding, like vowels are round or unround, okay. Backness of the tongue, we talk about whether the tongue is front or back or stays in the middle, okay, like that. And the height of the tongue, of course, includes is another feature which is included within the vowel articulation features. So let's begin with the height. So vowel height refers to the vertical position of the tongue relative to the roof of the mouth. Okay, as you can see from the picture, we have different heights. For example, E is the highest one, then E, then okay, then and like this, it's vertically. We have some hierarchy between vowels. Okay, vowels are not like the same in terms of the height, but there are some sounds, some vowels that are higher than others when it comes to the tongue height. Okay, so high vowels such as E and U are consistent with the tongue being positioned close to the palate. Okay, that is, the palate is at the top, and the more a vowel is high, the nearer it is to reach the palate. Okay, it becomes nearer and nearer the more high a vowel is. Okay, high in the mouth, whereas low vowels such as, for example, A are consistent with the tongue being positioned low in the mouth. That is, it gets lower, and the lower it gets, the farther it becomes, further, okay, it becomes from the palate. Okay, we have high vowels are like E, U, and U. Okay, they are all high vowels with different hierarchies, of course. And now let's move to the backness of the vowel. When we talk about the backness, we talk about the tongue, that is, whether the tongue is front or back, and how much or how back it is. Like, is it really at the back of the tongue or further to the front, like this? Okay, so vowel backness is another feature which is named for the position of the tongue during the articulation of a vowel relative to the back of the mouth. That is, for example, E and U are back. For example, U is a back vowel, but E and E, okay, they are not back, they are front vowels. So in front vowels such as E and E generally correspond to a position of the tongue forward in the mouth, whereas in back vowels such as U, for example, and U are consistent with the tongue being positioned towards the back of the mouth. That is, the tongue needs to be at the back of the tongue. Okay, it's unlike front vowels. This is a feature, another feature which distinguishes some vowels from other vowels. For example, we can say that E is a minus back, but U and U and U and like that, they are what? They are plus back. Okay. Roundedness. Roundedness is another feature, and we say that a vowel is round if the lips of the mouth are like rounded. For example, if you produce the sound O, U, okay, like that, you can realize, you can observe, you can notice that your lips are kind of round, you know, like a circle, like they are rounded. Okay, and this is what it gives them this this feature of roundedness, while for example vowels like A, E, and E are what? Here we don't have that, the lips are not, they're not shaped a circle, okay? So they are minus roundedness, okay? They are not rounded, but they are minus or unrounded, okay? So roundedness is named after the rounding of the lips in some vowels, because lip rounding is easily visible, that is easy, okay? And vowels may be commonly identified as rounded based on the articulation of the lips. So here you focus on the lips. If the lips are rounded, it is a rounded vowel. If the lips are not rounded, it is not a rounded vowel, okay? Rounded vowels are like oo and oo and oo and oo, okay? Like these. These are rounded vowels. Tenseness. Tenseness, here we mean by this another feature which distinguishes some vowels from another based on their length, okay? How long they are. We say that a vowel is tense if it is long, and we say that a vowel is minus tense or lax if it is what? If it is short, okay? So tenseness is used to describe the position of tense vowels versus lax vowels. Lax means short vowels. Tense vowels are long vowels. Lax vowels are short vowels. A tense feature refers to the fact that a given vowel is long, okay? Tense vowel is a long vowel, like oo, e, okay? But if we say e, this is what? This is lax. A lax, sorry, it's not tax, it's lax. A lax feature refers to the fact that a given vowel is what? Is short, like e, e. But if we say e or oo, it's what? It's tense. We say plus tense. It has plus tense feature. So we have basically two types of vowels. We have diphthongs and monophthongs. Okay, monophthongs are vowels that consist only of one vowel, and diphthongs are kind of, we have two vowels that are kind of mingled and mixed together. Okay, so monophthongs are single speech sounds and vowels. Monophthongs are like this one, ah, like a, like ah, for example, e, ah, oo, and e. They are what? We only have one vowel. Okay, we don't have two that are mixed together with, as the case with diphthongs. Diphthongs are basically glide vowels in the articulation, which there is a continuous transition from one position to another, and diphthongs like a, o, u, a, like this. We have a, e, okay, they are like gliding vowels. They consist of a vowel and a glide consonant, a glide sound, okay? A, we have two vowels, a, this is why they are diphthongs. But in monophones we have only e, a, u, okay? But diphthongs again we have a, u, o. I hope you understand this. And this is another, it may help you, it can help you a lot with your exams, this one. If you have any exams, or just to increase your and develop your or improve your knowledge with linguistics, with phonetics, English phonetics. So this includes everything we talked about: front, back, close. Now distinguish, like the vowels are well distinguished here. Okay, if you remember everything here, it's like this is the conclusion of what we have mentioned earlier. Okay.